After muzzling national media, the Modi regime now wants to control the digital and independent news landscape in India. During the pandemic, when the country thought PM Modi was working to protect Indians, he was actually plotting a conspiracy to hide the truth, to suppress the voice of the public, and to blackmail and subvert the media. A group of ministers' document confirms that during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, BJP leaders and union ministers including Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Smriti Irani, Prakash Javadekar, S. Jaishankar, Kiran Rijiju, Hardeep Singh Puri, Anurag Thakur and Babul Supriyo discussed ways to manage, control and neutralize the media that criticize the government. The new IT rules 2021 that seek to control OTT, social media and digital news media platforms have been drafted keeping in mind the suggestions and strategy prepared in this meeting. The details of the leaked documents are scary. Smriti Irani suggested that the Electronic Media Monitoring Center of the Ministry of INB should keep an eye on 50 negatively influential people. Surya Prakash, head of the current Prasar Bharati, says that the government has enough power to control critics. S. Gurumurthy suggested that CMs like Nitish Prasad can voice positive things about the government and adds that we need more channels to do this since Republic is ours already. Ravi Shankar Prasad suggested having a group of experts, VCs, retired officers who can write in the government's favor. Swapan Das Gupta talks about giving that little extra to journalists in a calibrated manner. The Modi government must answer the following questions. What was the purpose of this group of ministers and this report that has been prepared? Was this to weaken our constitutional democracy? Because it seems to suggest that what the world is now saying about us is actually coming true. Why is the government spying on its own citizens? These 50 negative influencers that Ms. Irani speaks about, are they aware that they are being tracked by the BJP government? What is happening with their information? Why does this government insist on curbing free speech and media? Why are they so afraid of criticism? If the Modi government is making laws and policies with the right intentions, why do they need spin doctors and propaganda channels to package it in a certain way? Why are they afraid of the questions the media or public may ask? Should laws now be made by a group of ministers in an isolated room? Has the Modi government made parliament defunct? Given that they have taken just about every step to turn India into a dictatorship, wouldn't it be easier to just say so instead of carrying on with the facade of democracy?